Are you dreaming of long, luscious locks? Growing your hair faster and longer in just 30 days is possible with a few effective strategies tailored for optimal hair health. Begin with a well-rounded diet that nourishes your hair from the inside out. Incorporate foods rich in vitamins and minerals essential for hair growth, such as eggs, nuts, fish, and leafy greens. Biotin, a crucial B vitamin, can particularly impact the health of your hair. So consider foods like avocados and sweet potatoes that are rich in this nutrient. Hydration plays a vital role too. Drink plenty of water to keep your scalp hydrated and promote healthy hair follicles. Next, embrace a consistent hair care routine that minimizes damage. Use a gentle shampoo and conditioner, free of sulfates and parabens to prevent stripping your hair of essential oils. Limit washing to 2 to 3 times a week to retain your hair's natural moisture. And consider a deep conditioning treatment weekly to repair any damage and enhance shine. Incorporating scalp massages into your routine can also stimulate hair growth. Regularly massaging your scalp increases blood circulation, fostering healthier follicles. Use natural oils, such as coconut or argan oil, to nourish the scalp, while providing an aromatic experience. Take a moment each day to indulge in this ritual, letting the soothing motions work wonders for your scalp health. Avoid heat styling tools that can lead to breakage and split ends. If you must use them, always apply a heat protectant spray. Instead, explore heat-free hairstyles that will allow your hair to rest and recover. Embrace protective hairstyles, such as braids or buns, which can shield your hair from environmental stressors and retain moisture. Finally, consider supplements designed to support hair growth. However, consult with a healthcare professional before adding any new supplements to your regimen. Herbal blends containing ingredients like saw palmetto and horsetail extract may complement your efforts to enhance hair vitality. By embracing these practices consistently for 30 days, you're on your way to longer, healthier hair. Keep your expectations realistic. Everyone's hair grows at different rates, but with dedication and care, your hair will surely flourish.